Have you ever wondered how to manage the life cycle of a machine learning project? Now let's dive right in. Machine learning projects are no simple feat. They are complex beasts that require a delicate balance of numerous components. Picture this: you're juggling data collection, feature extraction, model training, evaluation, and deployment. And that's not even the end of it. Each phase in the life cycle of a machine learning project is a world unto itself, demanding a distinct set of skills, tools, and techniques. And let's not forget, these phases are not isolated islands. They are interdependent, often influencing and shaping each other in ways that can be challenging to predict and manage. Adding to this complexity, there's the evolving nature of machine learning models. As new data streams in, models need to be updated, retrained, and redeployed. The iterative journey of a machine learning model is a continuous cycle of learning, adapting, and improving. And managing this cycle? Well, that's a whole other layer of complexity. But what if we could streamline this process? What if there was a way to simplify the management of these intricate projects, bringing a sense of order to the seemingly chaotic world of machine learning? Enter MLflow, a platform designed specifically to manage the life cycle of machine learning projects. It's like a conductor orchestrating a symphony, ensuring each component plays its part at the right time and in harmony with the others. Why is this important, you ask? Well, consider the alternative. Without a conductor, the symphony can easily descend into a cacophony of discordant sounds. Similarly, without a platform like MLflow, a machine learning project can become a tangled mess of disjointed phases and misaligned components. This is where MLflow steps in, a platform designed to streamline the process and bring order to the chaos. So, what exactly is MLflow? Enter MLflow, an open-source platform designed to simplify the machine learning lifecycle. Developed by Databricks, it's a one-stop shop for managing machine learning processes, making the complex, well, less complex. MLflow serves as a hub for your machine learning projects, offering a unified, standardized platform to streamline the lifecycle. It's like having a personal assistant, but for your machine learning endeavors. It's open source, meaning it's continuously improved by a community of developers worldwide, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest industry trends and advancements. But what makes MLflow really shine are its four main components, each addressing a specific aspect of the machine learning lifecycle. First, we have MLflow tracking. Think of this as your project's diary, logging and visualizing all the experiments in your project. It keeps track of code versions, metrics, and parameters, making it easy to compare different runs and pick the best model. Then there's MLflow projects. This component encapsulates your project into a format that's easy to share and reproduce. It's like packing your project into a suitcase, ready to be unpacked and used by anyone, anywhere. Next, we have MLflow models. It's a standard format for packaging machine learning models from a variety of frameworks, making them easy to deploy in diverse environments. It's like having a universal translator, but for machine learning models. Finally, there's the MLflow registry. It's a centralized model store, complete with lifecycle management features. It allows for easy collaboration among team members and ensures everyone is using the right model version. These components work in tandem, each playing a crucial role in simplifying and streamlining the machine learning process. They help you manage the lifecycle of your project from the experimental stage to the deployment of models, all while ensuring reproducibility and collaboration. MLflow, in essence, provides a systematic, efficient way to handle all aspects of a machine learning project. Let's delve deeper into the features of MLflow. The first feature we're going to explore is MLflow tracking. Now, machine learning is a complex process, and keeping track of every experiment, its parameters, and its results can be a daunting task. But MLflow tracking simplifies this process immensely. It's an API and user interface for logging parameters, versioning datasets, tracking results, and storing models. It allows you to record and compare both the minute details and the broad strokes of your experiments, making the entire process more manageable. Moving on, we have MLflow projects. This is a packaging format for reproducible runs. In the world of machine learning, Reproducibility is key. It's about being able to rerun an experiment with the same data, code, and environment and get the same results. MLflow Projects encapsulates your code into a format that makes it easy to share with others, or even just rerun at a later date. It's like a container for your experiment, ensuring all its parts stay together. Next up, we have MLflow models. This is a general format for sending models to diverse deployment tools. It's about versatility. Once a model is trained, it needs to be deployed, and there are countless tools out there to do this. MLflow models provide a standard format to help deploy your model to any of these tools, whether it's a local REST server, a cloud platform, or something else entirely. Last but not least, we have the MLflow registry. This is a central model store to collaborate on and govern MLflow models. It's a hub for your team to collaborate, manage the lifecycle of MLflow models, and maintain a history of model versions and annotations. These features of MLflow not only simplify the machine learning lifecycle, but also enhance collaboration and efficiency. So how does MLflow benefit the data scientists and the machine learning community? Well, let's dive right into it. MLflow is like a Swiss Army knife for machine learning. It brings a plethora of tools under one umbrella, simplifying the machine learning workflow. It manages the complete lifecycle of a machine learning project, from the initial experimentation phase right through to the final deployment. This means you can keep track of every experiment, every model, and every parameter all in one place. Now imagine you've developed a model and you want to reproduce the results 6 months down the line. Without a tool like MLflow, you might be scratching your head, thinking about which version of the model you used, or which parameters gave you the best results. With MLflow, all these worries are a thing of the past. It ensures reproducibility by logging all the model parameters, code, and even the dependencies. But MLflow doesn't stop there. It significantly improves collaboration among team members. You can share your models, experiments, and findings with your team, fostering a culture of transparency and collective learning. It's like having a shared notebook where everyone can contribute and learn from each other. And the best part? MLflow is not picky. It plays well with various machine learning libraries and algorithms. Whether you prefer TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn, MLflow has got you covered. It's like a universal translator, speaking the language of all these libraries fluently. Moreover, MLflow is compatible with multiple languages. Whether you're a Python enthusiast, a Java junkie, or an R aficionado, you can use MLflow to streamline your machine learning projects. In a nutshell, MLflow is all about making your life easier by tackling the complexities of machine learning head-on. It's about giving you the tools to manage, reproduce, share, and deploy your projects efficiently and effectively. MLflow, therefore, offers a host of benefits that make it an invaluable tool for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. In a nutshell, MLflow is a comprehensive platform for managing the machine learning lifecycle. It brings together the often complex and scattered elements of machine learning projects into a cohesive, streamlined, and manageable process. Think back to the hurdles we often find ourselves facing in machine learning projects: the difficulty in reproducing results, the lack of standardization, and the complex orchestration of different stages and components. Now, imagine a tool that not only addresses these challenges, but also provides a platform that is easy to implement and use. That's MLflow for you. This platform is built on 4 main pillars: MLflow tracking, MLflow projects, MLflow models, and MLflow registry. Each of these components plays a critical role in simplifying the machine learning process. MLflow tracking allows you to log and query experiments. It's like your personal machine learning diary, keeping track of all your experiments, the parameters used, and the results achieved. MLflow projects, on the other hand, is a standardized format for packaging reusable data science code. It's like your recipe book, ensuring you can reproduce your delectable data science results anytime. Then we have MLflow models, which is a standard format for packaging machine learning models. It's your model's passport, allowing it to travel across different deployment environments seamlessly. And finally, MLflow registry acts as a central model store for collaborative workflows. It's your model's home, ensuring it is safely stored and easily accessible for further use. These four components together make MLflow a powerful tool to manage the machine learning lifecycle. They simplify the process, enhance reproducibility, encourage collaboration, and ultimately help us create better, more effective machine learning models. With its robust features and extensive benefits, MLflow is indeed revolutionizing the way we manage machine learning projects.